Hey everybody, hey friends, family, tastemakers, and polish partners. Hey everybody, hope you guys are doing well. Glad you tuned in today. Today I'm making a gift for a child. It's mostly LOL stuff. And let me show you what I have. I'll bring you guys up in just a minute. Okay, so this is going to be for Valentine's Day. Last year, before we get started, last year I got more sales from like moms and grandmas buying things for children, for their grandkids, for their children. Like the men, like in my area, a lot of the black men were like, no, we're not gonna, have society telling us that we're supposed to buy all this stuff for Valentine's Day. So black men did not buy from me. White men and other ethnicities of men, they purchased from me. And then I had a lot of women buying from me for their kids. So it's just like, it's just showing love. It's like, no matter what's going on, even if they don't have a child that's behaving properly, it's just a day of just saying, hey, no matter what, I love you. I got you, I'm just thinking about you, so it's just, so these went well, so I'm doing it again this year, okay? So I got a box of Belgian chocolates. A child will like these, grown-ups, men, women, got some of those. I got this Mickey Mouse blanket here, and I'm gonna put something over this tag here. So I got a Mickey Mouse blanket, an LOL puzzle, an LOL coloring book, and I got this LOL glow stickers. Got some LOL crayons for the coloring book. I have this 11-piece stationery set. We got a little fuzzy here, a little plush bear. Isn't it cute? And we have an LOL surprise hat and scarf, hat and mitten set. We're gonna put it all, just a minute. Of course. That's my timer. That's my alarm. Okay, and then I'm gonna put it all in this baby fat backpack, okay? Because kids got a lot more school left to do. They got to go until May. So, and this matches that. Right. And these were like, I got these at Family Dollar. These were like $2 each. The backpack and the set here. Okay, so the first step, and what I was saying earlier about, everybody has a right. No one has to buy from me or whatever. But it was just, over the years, well, now that I'm not working in the barber shop, not cleaning the barber shop, they're not, other brothers and sisters, I don't have access to, because when I was cleaning the barber shop, all the barbers would buy from me, their clients would buy from me, and so, I just saw how a lot of brothers were showing love to their women, and so now that I'm out of that loop, it's like, like random, my neighbor, other than my neighborhood, if I meet someone out, if I'm out selling, a lot of bros were just like, no, we ain't with it. Okay, so, I'm going to take this. This is going to be the backing. This is going to be the support system here. And I'm going to place everything on top of there. put everything, oh, then I'm just gonna show you how I'm going to do it, and I'll worry about getting all the tags and stuff off later. Okay. And I have this ribbon. I'm just gonna tie everything up in this ribbon. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, and I put a box in this backpack to, give it a foundation, give it a platform to stand on, okay? And then just put some pink tissue paper on it, okay? We're just gonna keep it open like that. Okay guys, I put everything together and I wrapped it up in a bow. And everything's neatly together. I got the hat and scarf in the back. So I'm going to place it here. And just place it in there. Goes in there nicely. Fits good. Let me get out the way here. So that's an idea. Okay. Make it as neat as you possibly can. I like this motif here. So let me bring you guys up. I'm going to do it like that. And what I did, I took a picture of each individual item, and I took pictures and videos of this at different stages, and then I emailed them and sent a text to people on my client list. And so I already got 6 of these, and I already got 6 of these ordered, and they're ordering them for their kids. That's their loved ones. Okay, hang on. Trying to see how much time I have so I can explain to you guys. Did a lot of videos today. And so I said, well, I've got room and time for one more. So I'll put these. these in a cello bag. Okay, guys, so I'm going to wrap it up in a cello bag. Take that corner, tape it down. Tie off your fan and put, this is my posh bow. Put the posh bow on there. And those of you that are new, posh bow, that's my signature bow. It's just the way I like to make them. Just the way I just know how. So, just the way you want a big, this is kind of a bigger gift. So you want a bigger bow, or just put a bunch of streamers on there, you know, whatever you like. Put a little posh bow on here. Oops, I'm in the way. Okay, and then just fluff the bow out. We have a beautiful Valentine's Day gift for a child. They got a bunch of little fun things. You got, I see the crayons here. Got a blanket. This will be a good travel activity set. You got the backpack. They're going from house to house, going to daycare or the babysitters, grandma's house. They got their own little hat, got a blanket. Like you said, you got something to write with. You got your own activity. You got a little snack and you got some candy. We're trying to not do a whole lot of candy. Got a puzzle in there. You got the stationery set. You can design stuff. It's cute. So, you know, if it doesn't go for, if it doesn't sell during Valentine's Day, Easter, birthday, any activity, you know, any occasion, you know, just because. Okay, guys, so if you like this idea, if you like this, I think this is so cute. If you like this type of content, I welcome you. I would hope that you could hit that. I really losing. I'm on some medication. I was like, God, it's like really messing with me. This little medication I'm on. I'm not a medication type person. So you give me any little thing, and it's like I get tongue tied. Okay, guys. So if you like this content, please hit that thumbs up button, and I appreciate it. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. And I will see you in my next video, all right? And please don't hesitate to put any suggestions or comments in the comments section, all right? Thank you so much, family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. And if you're going to have these on a table, you're out selling, you know, get all the tags out. On some items, I'll take the price tag off. But I'll keep the care tags on there so people know that it's a new item and you know what the ingredients are and all that. All right, guys. All right. Thank you, guys. Bye.